If your toilet keeps acting up, a broken or worn-out flush lever might be the sneaky culprit messing with your bathroom routine. So, here's the deal. First, check if the flush lever feels loose or looks worn out. If it's loose, grab a wrench or pliers and tighten that mounting nut behind the handle. Sometimes it just needs a little snugging up. If the lever looks worn or bent, swapping it out is super easy and cheap, like under $10 at any hardware store. Before you put on the new one, give the mechanism a little squirt of lubricant to keep things moving smoothly. When installing the new lever, make sure it lines up right with the chain inside the tank so it flushes properly without sticking. Also, avoid over-tightening because you don't want to crack the porcelain or make it hard to press. Finally, test the flush a few times to make sure everything feels sturdy and smooth like it should. One of the biggest mistakes people make with flush levers is ignoring a loose mounting nut, which can cause a weak or no flush. Just tighten it up to fix that. Another common issue is using the wrong size or type of replacement lever. Always double-check your toilet model before buying parts to avoid compatibility problems. The third is forgetting to lubricate the lever mechanism, which can lead to sticking or squeaking. A little silicone spray or petroleum jelly does wonders here. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it hooks you up with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. For contractors, it's a great way to find new jobs and grow their business without all the hassle of searching around.